Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong to host a Northeast Shooting Championship. Annual meeting of women, SHGs contributes to willpower. Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan celebrates Yuva Utsav at Saukra College, Mairang. And All Meghalaya Dancers Association organizes roadshow as part of pre-Independence Day celebrations. And now the news in detail. Young men and women are gearing up for the highly anticipated 10th Northeast Zone Rifle and Pistol Shooting Championship 2023. Set to take place in Meghalaya, Shillong from August 20th to 27th, this prestigious competition has gathered significant attention. Organized by the Shooting Association of Meghalaya and generously funded by the National Rifle Association of India and the Sports and Youth Affairs Department, this event promises to be a display of skill and determination. Leaders of the association revealed the exciting news during a press conference at the Shillong Press Club. They confirmed that the championship would not only be hosted in Shillong but also mark the unveiling of the competition's official logo. Participants from 6 northeastern states, excluding Tripura and Sikkim, are expected to compete in this championship. The panel of judges, consisting of 10 members from the National Rifle Association of India, will ensure a fair evaluation of participants' performances. The competition will see the participation of 25 men and women from Meghalaya, with an estimated 300 participants from other states.
20.4 D270.
So comment ban petip ba ngilayo daga jingi trilang ba Department of Sports and Youth Affairs ngiyo ban daga jingkershan daga sarkar ngiyo ban pelong ban host ya gani ka jingi ka ya siap ka badai ka Northeast Zonal Shooting Championship ka bashpo ka ban long nadu arpo tarik adu arpo nyu tarik u matau panai August but kabangin pelong tepo Assam Regimental Center te kumbakalo menta ki dan rutli ki jela ki pala confirm bani simbata kata kalong ke Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh pat ke Meghalaya rutli ki jela kila confirm bani simbata kat nugut tingin pala ban ong nomor ka entry ngatrai ka di minute ka last date ban submit entry kata ka information kadi ke jela kai ru ka long ka pa jela kai ka long prestigious kadi ka badang puram nomor ba ngiyo kalat ketika sien ke baar ke bang pelong ngilalong pelong tem mensuaru how arjar country khat nyau but kani ketika sien ke ba ka Northeast Zone ke ba shpo ke ba pelong ni hap pelong kini ke jela da kapali te nakata kadau nga soban ong ba ketika badan bok bang ngiyo ban pelong ni nga ai kubleiru ya ki long he jongka Assam Regimental Center ki shpai namada kim ai maki ke ngim dan jakai siam te ngasoban ai kubleru ya kini ki jela paper ka nrutuli ki jela ki pala menjur pemani simbata
nilaya penkrehi nilaya dan arsan ngut ki dan kenthe bat chenrang ya dan rifle bat pistol so na bentakan ni tingilaya try kat bala bangin ya khun mat ki weki state kumba julong man kasnam ya mentangi dang dan tang I shooting range baret te kataru ngilala ban manra kat ni khna ngilala ban lum ki khna bathmai ngilala ban ai ji kai ki te ladang ngila don lele da ka range ka bakham bha ka bakham he te ngila nang kham yo ki khna ru kham bon ken te we breu ngi sim kum tu ar kanta e ka practice te la ki la sim kum ta kin dan kum ba shupong ru kala janjar ken namar bakarit plat ka range plus ngi don tang ka 10 meter range tingi dan kam sa ika 25 but 50 ru ya ka 25 but 50 ngim juda yo ban practice ngi yo practice tang shwa ka competition jong state championship shisngi shwa ka competition shwa ka Northeast ru shisngi arsngi shwa ka competition te wala ka tarung idang ngila try ban yo ki medal ki ki la bon ki bon ra te katang ke de ka jing changi ban ni kerpat ba like bak ka sarkar kan yo I kan ka jing ka jongi.
My expectation is that yes, we will perform well. In mixed team we also have a strong team in mixed team, so I think yes, we will perform good in mixed team also in 10-meter event rifle, and also in 50-meter. In 50-meter also we have our police team which are also good in 50-meter. But the main problem with 50-meter is that we don't get practice usually because we don't have range. We have to use the range of army range. So before practice maybe 5 or 10 days it's not enough for us, but still we learn by looking from YouTube or anywhere, any source. So that is how we used to perform well in any event. So I feel like yeah, this event also will be good since it is in our own state.
But sagaway ka jingkarpang jong ni ka Northeast Zonal ka long ba shooting championship kan long ba kani ka jing ya siat baro kan long ha ka jing khmi jing pet jong ka National Rifle Association of India ka Federation jong ka shooting ha po India te ki kandon ka kanhun ka ba shphongut ki badai ki jury members ki nong bishar ban pet ba kani ka kam kan ya bet ka ba mot ba ngi penbiang ya ka competition ya ka FOP ka venue ni katai ndai ka jing conduct ya ka competition ka long hapo ka jing khmi under the aegis of the jongkan NRAI National Rifle Association of India te kindon ko basan totally ki events ki ba pair hapo ka 10 meter 100 meter bat 100 meter te kindon ki kategori ba pair tu ko basan totally ki event.
The Cluster Level Federation Women SHG Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited held its first annual general body meeting on August 12 at the Umsning Auditorium Hall. The event brought together members from various village organizations under the Milden cluster in the capital. Magdalene S. Maulong, MDC Umsning, graced the occasion as the chief guest. Notable attendees included Brahma Project Director DRDA Ribhoy, BDO Umsning Sin RD Block E. Lingdor, L. Malnyang, MSRLS SMMU Shillong, Violet Maulong, President CLF, Rocky Kalla, Chairman to Umsning Town Dorbar, along with SHG members, village organization representatives and Umsning Sin RD Block staff. In her address, Magdalene S. Maulong motivated the different groups and underscored the significance of determination. She emphasized that the term impossible only arises from those lacking the determination to achieve their goals.
Di kami berbeda, terikam hak, dan terikam bisa bahak pi, bayar belai, tapi bisa kuat putri minat kita diam gulung dia bisa bayar, bayar kamkai, bayar ini, bisa bayar surat dua apa surat ini, bisa bayar kemana dia, so pun pindah sini ada, dan mentau kong yo lun, kong yo scheme. Lain another because the mission. You have to become missionary. Active mission one missionary. You know missionary try. Pinikai ginen, right missionary. You know pin kalabara kami. You know trishtam. Muncul ikan scheme government fund juga. Ikat scheme. Ke scheme kami ya. SGSY di scheme juga. Opinion no block. Agak bank. Ya SGSY lah pin kalabara mission. Mission mode. Tapi government of India lah pun kena. Dia itu dalam kena mission mode yang orang menteri. Ini betul. Kemudian, Isong Ramadan. Lei tokna iyo. Boleh kamu lelaki. Ini. Itu kena. Isong lang. Bukan macam kamai. Kuno menyerah. Bang jingiwa istri dia. Isong lang. Apa jingerah? Katri lang. People kata siapa? Okay, jing. Jak sini, long jing kermen. Tengah sisa orang kermen itu. Ready dengan kermen. Ublay ulah tahu. The first general meeting. Video Muslim menong PD awan ini. Nak join tu sini masa pun. Saya bilang join. Ingin pun, if you want awan nak. Kau mesti mana? Dengan dia. Ya belum, we have one way program. No, yang ada sejauh yang mesti menong cuma mengi. Amam, dia pun mau yang ada buat kerja. jing kot inga jing min sim jong pisisha bade ngong simple thing I'm back as a boy I'm back as a boy then na de mano ade boy boleh ngala trek muslim na sto ipsia upine video if itu ka skit drama ade shisha brio jongi one office tien ulong juga ni ong ya pendikai udan bawalang ni pendikai mungkin dulu hablang smart are mene ukran na ang be kumne are kong bhala ngulong mucham ukran re muntah ne boleh audit Mano di mesila itu boleh audit internal audit keren business plan ong share capital oh my god sino share capital funding I can imagine thing on. Fi din miss na garo ang kili fi, galok kili what is share capital. Tapi yung dapat yung lok ta, bidan samla, di kili samla. Kita what is share capital nang jaba. Dalai di sikan de. Fi di mental long kume, sebab group. Mano de, ni ai kublai, ya MSRS. Kom piru be di dewa ta tristam ni. Yang ngai kublai ya ba, rona pintaru. Mo Gede breu walong pan ka porfon ba berma long punta mo mitre ba important stana belai kamin sem mitre hoppo muslim hoppo di boy pijan kam sin jong boy jingroi ba ai tingi kuno tiap karbi ni stop belai di boy kamin sin boy then ngalai program tenting kumbong to Sami kreve gani mo nang jam ni belai. Ini mana? Ini officer ni MCS. Tambang itu harus ada belaman. Ini tre social worker. Ini happy feeling the pulse. No ikwa. Ini bara ni mlan long bro spa. Bara spa pat ndai men long belong kum belong belak ka action ni kum bedai kan ngam dan tim patai tak mo tambang kumen kan yang kumen boleh ni mun kapon ni nak follow program ni ne mo dan ba what we still do today they will others will follow first then they come ni la form la seng atau ni la de program ni por boleh kali bat wala maksisi sampai saya udah apa song yang presiden umdan jakabun song teng bokli song Ramadan de meeting school baranda de meeting tingaru teng song na Hebreu bersyukur imam long teng song ru mo itan le ko song ikan meeting long sustenak mo long belum diterika tama ni rarai kata ko ni le no ni song la bora sisi ni song lang DPM sa kuno sa kinla anai tanto office pensioner diterika le tingong le khot komora Rebecca di EPO mo ai yang idea na MG na just kuno diterika and I going office ni dia jungi na song lang then kumbalong sampus nem jungi ke state road Meghalaya apa Meghalaya di inaugurate yang pun sampus nem na sampo tali di office tingi adik tang ko muslim block apa borang Meghalaya ni complete ni kongduk ni AG office
insan bagi platform ki baper tehen rei apa ngapek pat kapor ke pemerintah kat nu ngakemen la kalong hak imlang ka salang la kalong hak senang ka thau la kalong hak balang la kalong hak seng ki baper ngiyo i ki long kemi kilam mi syakmat nala di klem jing leran klem jing randien ban ngakwa ban ai ke jing kentu kan pam pi baru ke beran hang ni hapo lingkat lang hapo ke CLF dongin dan long barabor ki basyai ka ketien ka thliet meneng ilayo ka jingkran ka basngau tenat na ikong nong shli ibalay thu khanai ka jingya nanti ka jungi ki brio barabor ka imlang ka salang barabor habing idon kanu ka jili kanu ka kamim jiyo ka basuk ngihap ban ma ya ka jing ngihap ban ma ting ya ka jing do nong habing itray business landing idon mo kata ka kam lajong kabing ibu idukan ibarit ibahya kamlong barabor bing jiyo nong sa Nding hap du nong ru. Hapeding kita ka jing du nong. Ngim day banang rit men sim. Ngim day ban ong ngila thad, ngila swa, ngim nam kwa syu banang ya syakhamat. Henry long keme ki ba iet. Kat ni pila yai sya. Kat ni pila adon, kalong kana bat keburuam ya ka constituency baka CLF, kalong shisyak dong dynamic. Kajing prepare mene kajong pi ya ka report ya ka bangayok ban sngap thu. Amdei tang ki kelung ki kana. Ya ki kun samla, ki long kemi, ki long kpa, ki riu temen. Henrei wat ki tu beduna ya ka dokhat met. Ki long kemi, ki berang pun, ki berang ka. Kanu tam pila ngam jeliu ban perkhat. Ban keneri ki kti ki basbun ki jong pi. Na ka bantah ki kun. Basyam haki lanot ki jenjar. Sngau tenat banyu iru. Baka mission ke jong pi. Kadai nak benta ki kun samla ki belasya ya lam bakla. Haki ni ki sengi. Ngatarai kum ki keme ngi saknut. Kum ki keme ngi don. Kata ka jing pisah ling baki kun ki kti. Kimi na layeng lasem. Kum nu ka jing long ka jing man ka jong ki. Habaki mi shala skul. Kilit trei let kta. Kilit balabat kum ta ter. Handai nga syuang ye pi ngin ka kti. Ka kesang kti ka jong blay. Ya ka ba. Ngi haka jing ka ba Ngi haka ta ka juk. Jong ka jing competition ka juk. Jong ka jing sya ya lam bakla. Handai nga kwa ye pi. Bangin ya trei lang. Bat ka bor sorkar. Ya trei lang bat kinong mi kamat. Ngin mi sya kamat. Banrat dingkong nam ta ki baro. Ngaju ong. Don teng ki baong kilong kami ngangam la bangan trei kata kakam. Ngangam kuat bor. Ngaju ong ye ki kakentin bamla. Kalong haki tu ki brio ki bam don kamon. Habangi don kamon. Ngidon kamru. Kajing ya trei lang. Kajing ya sutu jingmut. Kajing bat kum ka CLF. Kabadon shisha kata kakentin. Jing kermen. Ngin long barabor kita ba jing kermen nak entah kitu badu jing kermen. Ngin long shisha kita ba jing syai kitu beran hapadeng ka jing dum. Bat hakani ka por kum ka nong mi khamat ka jong pi kum ka MDC ka long kami. Ngis ngau tanat da shisha ba ki long kami kila mi sha khamat. Banyano senyang lang haka imlang ka salang. Nakam ta ka shnong ka thau. Hak babun ki liang lang ikran ka kot ka kya. Ka jing nang ka jing start ka khoj ka suba. Langi pet ki kam ri jing ri. Hakikam bangi thong ni tem. Buan ki kabangila bandang ay mensim. Teng mo juong bangale ran, bangan rijing ri ban ong ngaris iar. Haba pi pen, hakini kisngi nga try buon na pi. POE baki nong rap kikiyo. Namara ka ri ka jongi baka jala ka jongi dang apat na kiway nang taki jur ki jhap nang taki sok ki pai. Te balay pat na pedeng jongi nang ni ngin shim kiai kita ki baro. Mo ko mga kren menne hakikot kubor la ni hapo ki social media ki YouTube. PE syai bagi nong rap so-sa ki kamai ki krur mo menuju poi perkat bu so-sa ong kiu dor do kata-kata Henry tungin shim kia nakam ta ka jing ki am ta ki jingri ki ba per nakam ta ki kam ki baret ki ba he ki ba krauru shisin kasngi haba ni shim kia ngikit kia ngilen lade badu ju ka por ngi don kaban iet ya kakam ka bangile
lang VO Sementara kini ki asli ki bio.
Baro, soba panyawan lang sini. Baro, wadot baro. Kamu singan sweet na yung status po WhatsApp po.
The Nehru Yuva Kendra Sanghathan NYK, in collaboration with the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and the state government, organized a district-level Yuva Utsav with the theme Panch Pran at Khatsaupra College in Mairang. The event aimed to provide a platform for young talents to shine. The event was graced by ADC East and West District A Nongbri alongside BDO Mairang Sin RD Block, KLR Nyota, District Youth Officer D. Rapsang, Principal of Khatsaupra College, Bulnes Nongrum dedicated teachers and enthusiastic students. NYK presented a variety of competitions including drawing, poetry writing and traditional song competitions. These contests aim to unlock the potential of students and allow them to display their skills across diverse fields. The event's focus on nurturing young talent and fostering creative expression was evident as participants showcased their abilities with enthusiasm and zeal. The district-level Yuva Utsav proved to be a memorable occasion that celebrated the vibrancy and innovation of the youth in the region.
good in system trade-off, but one thing identity. Di kemudian ini di konsumsi youth, apabila ya trade, apabila use yang reasoning power, yang logical power, ini level juga mak entah kali kepercayaan dapat information dalam nanti. Misal apa bidangnya, kena apa bidangnya kuliah yang dia exam sejak beliau information. Tangan juga pindah kita. Nama connection saya juga membuat information itu sudah bisa Melayu. Lain pertama baru ambil bentuk Google baru Kerja habis dulu okey dengan social media dari awal kebalaan juga decision kebalaan juga decision itu boleh dari decision or decision. Kalau mau yang itu information video of this new balik itu jadi ada proses. Ada messages di bawah WhatsApp, itu sekali messages di bawah. Ini lebih share kira-kira. Dia nanti di bawah ini dia tenang, tidaklah bantuan dia tadi. Apa kemau berharga kejut tentang the influence of drugs muncul. Drugs standar namanya. What is instinct? Jadi pun kita ingin sebuah ini di drug peddlers ini ada pasang di kemudian ada apa yang itu membuat dia ada konten drugs langsung sisi Melayu rumah kalau tiket sisi Melayu baru tiket ini om saya aja boleh kalau kamu tahu dia kemampuan dan ambil dia lagi habis sports lagi agawai hasil kasar betul kadang agawai beli juga jadi online lagi diberi resmi tapi apa yang terkatakan apa yang bisa masukkan bawa ini lihat mana kasar dari kedua kalau sudah sirat mainan di mana bahwa kemauan bersikap mainan Yunani masa dia mau kita dah disini bawah kita dah biology value always dia bawa information kemudian para orang jadi mereka kita di Meghalaya di bawah Tiba-tiba semua menawar informasi. Jadi bukan bagian dari proses. Isu kita competition ada di awal informal program di competition bahwa hak banyak compete according to the spirit of the day. Tidak di program dimulai kita terjenggut nanti bagi pemahaman, pan dekwa, provinsi, provinsi ada dekwa itu. Di bulan participate, ya kan berkompetisi true sportsmanship, participate, lara juga udah bertahun kayak ini, robot krius atau plastik, apa yang mau mencoba, mau itu supaya orang aktif kayak ini, itu dilaksanakan sebuah ini. Kalau kita sukses, kalau kita yang lain, kalau kita failure, is the stepping stone to success. All the best, enjoy the program, enjoy the whole day, and remember, very important. Your positive mindset will always lead to success. Please kasih dokumen buat hari berhapus pun di program itu berbesar dari ayo berkira berkoi kali penjelasan duit yang kali juga besar mengatakan festival jadi youth apa re-education ni apa kuma dari ukor buat youth kita future seasons जो kali juni kalau ini जो kali juni kesok hakati जो kisahnya juni dari ini amalan kalau dia kali ke pun berita apa partai guru ini kalau partai China cuma mengimplementasi yang sensus setelah ada bahwa yang sensus officially antara mana India dan we ke pun diberi percaya. But apa yang kita isu di belum kita kisah teman harus membuat 100% leader ya kan ya kita kisah mana kita hidup apa kali dia kemudian buat Indonesia ya kata kapur jadi kena sama klaim hari ini dan cukup ya Jimong Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports and Information and Broadcasting juga India Sri Anurag Singh Thakur apa bukti yang kini juga usah bahwa we are the biggest yuva shakti in the world. Ida kita di bawah khantam di bahektam di bubuntam tetap kepor jomdi salah atau percaya berkoi. Bagi hamba jadi ban utilize yang kini potential bagi yang kini ke youth power bagi. Tengok kalau orang sama Indonesia dawai jauh dari baca Israel jika syurga hakibat kisahlah akan berkong kebapen perwadu kata kalau ini syurga bukunas yang kemau yang tertian kepada sospai yang terletak kepada sebuah buku ada jauh haram ini seterusnya Niji kuliah ada itu, bah lelaki itu lelaki cepre, ni katanya menjual dia buat kata-kata kalau yang dalam kalau belum awal kenapa? Kia asan kia buat susah kok karena ni orang boleh berhenti. Kemudian disuruh buat sama tidak lagi ambitions, tidak lagi idols, tidak lagi jadi jiwa jadi interest jadi kesak kebahagiaan. Akan itu tentang bentuk menurut orang kebanyakan mengenai ekspresi akan kesak apapun jadi kebanyakan ekspresi yang start di bentuk akan menurut yang kemarin kita season dua baru betul kan dia semua dan buat kita pun di Shillong Meghalaya mana perkara batin job dia kata yang tu yang event iaitu competition harap tu pasal dan kata pilih jadi under the leadership juga ni Kijiwan dan universiti belum juga boleh sebenarnya kawan jumpa kawan jumpa kasih mix lah akhirnya kita bagi orang there's nothing that can stop us there's nothing that can stop you as long as kita ada mensi pasinran umbayang yang bilang high school bagi kuliah interaksi manual dia syahid kalian Andrai ujian ni untuk Ususuhan menjuntai ini pada orang ini buku bonusnya ususuhan uang apa itu kalau buru beri besar menurut belak laksan beri kalau tidak mudah. Jadi juga bisa mengaksi dari kelas. Guru ini besar sudah satang esok guru pikiran guru bukan ekspres jadi guru bukan ni manusia ini om akan tahu guru bukan luar ini om bagi kita ibarat muslims esok pun hari bukan keadaan bukan ekspres lagi bukan saya tak kesal kau mengerti itu pun apa yang dia ini kita belajar itu bisa dipakai tapi juga makanya district administration mengkuat itu penolong competitions dan kami juga melakukan program kepada yang ada di semua kepenolakan bisnis bagi dia partisipasi support Shillong itu kena potensi yang itu di dalam menjawab satu competition. Di kemudian kedua yang lain dari ini bahwa kami untuk kemudian berkesan kemudian berkata ini jika Pak Bibri membuat kami untuk hendak juga dalam Indonesia ini jika Pak perlu ini jika orang officers, engineers, dokter semua ini perlu nama boleh tidak jumpa dia kata usai ini Pak tidak sebut kita hidup pergi kita jumpa kata bahawa kita hidup kata tidak sebut saya kata kami aram-aramnya kita hidup yang lebih kata
On to August 12, the All Meghalaya Dancers Association to AMTA mark a unique celebration of independence preceding the nationwide observance on to August 15. The association to organize a series of events including a lively road show that kick off from Motprant and culminated in Kandailar. Enthusiastic participation was seen from the AMTA members who exuded patriotic zeal throughout the proceedings. During the event, Kitbok Thaba, the leader of the association, passionately addressed the gathering. He emphasized that the programs orchestrated on this occasion were a means to honor India's struggle for independence. Thaba acknowledged the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters who courageously battled against British colonial rule. The celebration stood as a poignant reminder of their commitment and dedication to securing the nation's freedom. As the nation's attention turns toward the imminent Independence Day, the AMTA's early commemorations serve as a powerful testament to the spirit of unity and reverence for history that continues to thrive within the country.
Nakanian all Meghalaya dan sen angkat bat kini ki members ki student 4 Juli moi kani ka Pre Independence Day hari mensiapat ngi ale kani ka jikan mau ya ka Re India jugi nikong ile suai kani ka salam India sambut ka jikan mau andang bentar kami mari andang ka me India jugi ni jukan hakibor sistem araja katnyau ni pelong du ka ka program charity mereka awal bagi award kebangi elek burom jadi sipai kiba sayap apa Kashmir. Bat ya ki Meghalaya Police ki balak Trisitom hakpor kejing kamtam na kentaki traffic bati crime ki bayada na mata kajing ki bo di kejing sniu bo ka jalan Meghalaya jini dia kejing don juga ki police kayada jadi paiba bat kan mau ya ka ba kapor ba kejing jah bo Kashmir katno ki sipai India ki jap hapo Kashmir Hausnam arja kanyong na perlong ini program. Hadian arja kapra ni perlong biang ya keteng hingga Salam India season 2. Hang niru ni perlong ya kawai ka award ni perlong ya ka award da bangi ai burom ya ki pergi disabled person ki bala pendap ya ki graduate. Yang ibuan bagi ni ki disabled person ki diberi juga tanang la start. Dia Kafas kebenikong kebang ipenlong ni kani ban I museum nama taki disable. Hak tu puas. Tinggal I award ru yaki bat mina sam ru yang jinjarap nama taki ni disable nak tu longi ki baduk. Kebentar pat kadega siang keba lai keba mina siam yang taka lenti keba lai keba long ba min siam yang bentar kalong ba kup kadak ban ken mau eat ban ken mau yaki ru prau jong dari India bat ki ru prau jong ke jalan Meghalaya hakipo ki mamuniswa ki balayane banyakun tek ban manra ya kata ke jing lai lut nak kiti jong sipai kareng bat dai lumba gani ipenlong lumba gani ka road show lumba gani ka entertainment bat lumba ki jingwai ki wedai ki baya habdor bat ka dari India bat ka jingkan mau ru ya ke jalan Meghalaya limba ke jingwai.
The 120 Battalion CRPF concluded the Meri Matti Mera Desh campaign with patriotic fervour, marking the grand finale of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, celebrating 75 years of Indian independence. The event took place at the Dakop Grey headquarters in Tura, West Garo Hills. The day's activities commence with heartfelt floral tributes to the valiant heroes of Garo Hills who made supreme sacrifices for their motherland. Special remembrance was paid to the CRPF martyrs from the region, including Shahid Constable Utpal Rabha of 209 Cobra Commando and Shahid Constable Sugandha Koch of 87th Battalion CRPF. The ceremony also saw the felicitation and honoring of Veer Naris, families of CRPF martyrs and retired CRPF personnel. The chief guest, Shri Pramod Kumar Singh, Commandant of the 120 Battalion CRPF, reiterated the organization's core values of service and reality, underscoring the glorious tradition of the CRPF's valor and sacrifice. The event featured a captivating cultural program presented by youth from Nehru Yuva Kendra, Tura. This included speeches highlighting the legacy of bravery and sacrifice in the Garo Hills, a group song, and a musical tribute to the CRPF martyrs. A traditional Badakhana was also hosted, fostering a strong sense of camaraderie among the troops and community members.
उधर देखो फोटो खींचे ना बस बस ये तो लाओ ना पानी वाला सर हो जाए पानी।
आज़ादी के 75 साल पूरे होने पर मैं प्राचीन मध्यकालीन और वर्तमान भारत के उदाहरणों से स्पष्ट करना चाहूंगा। सन 65 और 71 में के युद्धों में अपने सुहाग को गंवा देने वाली औरत जब घर के आए तो कहती है कि प्यार भी भरपूर गया, मांग का सिंदूर गया, नन्हे नौनिहालों की लंगोटियां चली गई, छोटी छोटी बेटियों की चोटियां गई, बाप की कमाई चली गई, जिस्म की बोटियां चली गई। और आपके लिए साहब एक तो आदमी गया है साहब, लेकिन हमारे घर की रोटियां चली गई, हमारे की रोटियां चली गई। वीर सिपाही शहीद सुगंधा कोच जो कि केंद्रीय रिजर्व पुलिस दल में 2002 में भर्ती हुए थे और 87 बटालियन बीजापुर में तैनाती के दौरान 3 सितंबर 2005 को 87 बटालियन की एक पार्टी बीजापुर के जंगलों में एक ऑपरेशन के उपरांत लौट रही थी। तभी यह बम निरोधक वाहन में थे। जैसे ही बम निरोधक वाहन गांव पंजेर वाला के नजदीक पहुंचा, पहले से ही घात लगाए बैठे आतंकवाद माओवादियों ने एक जबरदस्त आईडी विस्फोट कराया तथा विस्फोट के बाद दल पर भारी गोलीबारी भी शुरुआत कर दी। विस्फोट की चपेट में आकर वाहन के पचखड़े उड़ गए और वाहन में सवार सभी कार्मिक गंभीर रूप से घायल हो गए, जख्मी हो गए। इसके तुरंत बाद सभी माओवादियों ने वाहन में सवार जख्मी के हथियार छीनने के लिए आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश की।
केंद्रीय रिजर्व पुलिस बल के कार्मिक, आप सभी का मैं इस मेरी नाटी मेरा देश कार्यक्रम में सबका अभिनंदन करता हूँ कि आप सब यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं। अब ये इस वर्ष अभी ये समापन हो रहा है, तो उसी समापन कार्यक्रम अंतिम कड़ी है ये बची हुई, तो उसी में हम ये मेरा माटी मेरा देश कार्यक्रम मना रहे हैं। और ये इस भावना को सिर्फ आपके अंदर जागृत करने के लिए ये कार्यक्रम किया गया कि आपके अंदर जो देश के प्रति भावनाएं हैं वो हमेशा दिखती रहें और इसी तरह से अपने देश की रक्षा के लिए और यहाँ के लोगों की रक्षा के लिए देश को आगे बढ़ते हुए और हम अपनी सहभागिता जो है सुनिश्चित करें। और ये तभी संभव होगा कि जब हम सभी लोग मिलकर और देश के निर्माण में अपनी सहभागिता सुनिश्चित करेंगे और देश की रक्षा के लिए हर पल तैयार रहेंगे। और इसमें इस बीच यह सौभाग्यशाली दिन है कि इस कड़ी में ये जो दिन हम लोग वीर नारीज के सम्मान में मना रहे हैं, ऐसे सपूत हैं इस देश के कि जिन्होंने देश रक्षा के लिए अपने प्राणों को न्यौछावर कर दिया। और आज वीर नारियां हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं और इन्हीं के सम्मान में ये कार्यक्रम हम सम्मानित कर रहे हैं, ये ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं कि इन्होंने अपने देश पहले अपने जान की बाजी लगाते हुए अपने कर्तव्य में अपने इस देश की मिट्टी की रक्षा करते हुए, चाहे किसी तरह के, चाहे वो देश के दुश्मन हो, चाहे देश के अंदर ऐसे विघटनकारी ताकतें हैं जो कि देश की एकता और अखंडता को नुकसान पहुंचाती हैं, ऐसे ताकतों के साथ जो लड़के और देश के रक्षा में अपनी सहभागिता अपने कर्तव्य पथ को निभाए हैं, तो ऐसे लोग हमारे बीच रहे हैं। ऐसे लोगों से ही हमारा देश सुरक्षित है। और ये हमारे जो यहाँ पे रिटायर्ड कार्मिक भी बैठे हुए हैं, जिन्होंने के अपने जीवन के 30-32 साल 35 साल 40 साल जितने भी सेवाएं दी हैं भारत के भिन्न भिन्न देश जगहों पे और विभिन्न जो है चुनौतियों का सामना किया है इस देश रक्षा के लिए। सबसे पहले हमारा देश है, तभी फिर हमारा समाज, हमारा गांव, हमारा घर बाद में आता है। तो आपके अंदर इस कार्यक्रम का सिर्फ आपके अंदर उद्देश्य यही था ऑर्गेनाइज करने का कि हम भूले नहीं जिन्होंने सेक्रीफाइसेस दी है, जिन्होंने ये बलिदान दिया है, उनको हम हमेशा उनकी यादों को अपने दिल में सजा के रखें, उनको हमेशा याद रखें और उनसे प्रेरणा लेके, उनसे इंस्पिरेशन लेके, और हम कभी डगमगाए नहीं। और ये सिर्फ हमारे हिंदुस्तान की ही परंपरा नहीं है, ये पूरे विश्व में आप हर जगह देखते होंगे, पढ़ते होंगे कि सबसे पहले देश सर्वोपरि है। अभी आज के देश में लड़ाइयाँ भी इतनी हो रही हैं, देश के बाहर आप देखते हैं विश्व युद्ध तक हो गया, तो वो किस लिए हुआ? अपने देश की रक्षा के लिए हुआ। और अभी आप ताज़ा उदाहरण देखिए कि यूक्रेन के लोग अभी भी लड़ रहे हैं। किस लिए लड़ रहे हैं? कितना नुकसान हुआ उस देश का, लेकिन सिर्फ अपने माटी के लिए, अपने देश के लिए। तो इसी भावना को जागृत करने के लिए हम लोग आभारी हैं कि हमारे गृह मंत्रालय ने ऐसा सोचा कि ये इस तरह के कार्यक्रम हमेशा हर साल हों और हमें यह अवसर दिया कि अपने बीच उपस्थित हम वीर नारीज को, कि हमारे इस बीच में 2 वीर नारीज उपस्थित हैं, इनको सम्मान दे सकें और जिससे और लोग भी प्रेरणा ले सकें। और हमारे बीच ये अवकाश प्राप्त कार्मिक हैं और इसमें सहभागिता नेहरू युवा केंद्र की रही है कि जिन्होंने ये श्रद्धांजलि कार्यक्रम हमारे शहीदों के नाम जिन्होंने ये अर्पित किया है और यहाँ अपनी उपस्थिति से इस माहौल को और देशभक्तिमय बना दिया है।
On August 12, 2023, the United Democratic Party underwent a significant leadership restructuring during a general meeting held at its office on Bombfile Road, Limekra, Shillong. Metba Lingdaw was reaffirmed as the party's president, while Jemino Mautho was elected as the general secretary. The list of working presidents comprise Paul Lingdaw, Titos Khan, Nujorki Sungo, Lakmen Rumboy, Donbok Khamdej, Rikamin Sangma, LC Momin and Renekton Tongkar. Additionally, vice presidents included Alintri F. Thakar, Process Saukme, Shitlang Pale and Miral Bons Aim. The secretary's team consisted of Laski Rimbai, Jambor War, Balajit Rani, Mitchell Wankar, Winning Sungo, J.S. Bung Snaitang, Dr. Arman War, Tenwel Dakar and Monach Shabong. The joint secretaries encompass Rinkat Lindem, Sunshine Makri, Anvil Lingdaw and Tirot Singh Suchang. Finance Secretary and Joint Finance Secretary includes Michael War and Markansai Kongwil. Treasurer Beyond Star Kurba. Office bearers of the Women's Wing includes Priti Karpingrop, President, Wanda Shisha Rinja Secretary, whereas the Youth Wing President and Secretary includes Kirman Shilla and Balajit Sinrem. Significantly, in the Farmers' Wing, the President, Secretary and Joint Secretary position was bestowed on Olan Singh Sun, Sinchar Roy Lingdaw Thaba and Remington Pingro. This reshuffle aims to invigorate the party's leadership structure for the upcoming political landscape.
So now I request baru jawab semua bakal waktu Wadikman sama LC Momin Wadikman dan Tongkar. These are all the working president. Vice President Pak Alam Pigarkar, Pak Proses Isokmin, Masjid Al-Bani, Pak Merah Mesir. Secretary Balaski Depan, Pak Jambor Pak, Pak Balajit Rani, Pak Mitchell Wanhar, Pak Winning semua, Pak Siti Bung, Dr. Anwar, Pak Menang Sebong, Pak Tenwel Dakar. Joint Secretary Pak Rika Lindam, Pak Sunshine Makri, Kompeti Kemogro, Secretary Pembangunan secara rendah. Jurgen Pak Kermen Sulat, Pak Balajit Sundar, Budget Organizer Evening Pak Yusi Sun Window. Pak Farmas Win, Pak Olan Asul, Secretary Pak Sejak Parwar Bapak,
moment.
In a recent meeting held on August 12 at the office of the United Democratic Party UDP, various pressing topics were discussed by party members. The meeting saw active deliberations on a range of issues raised by attendees, notably Tito Starwell Khan, the leader of opposition at the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC), voices concerns about UDP's stance on the revision of the 6th schedule. He emphasized that the party was opposed to using the term unrepresented tribe. Khan further expressed bewilderment over the omission of the term village council during a meeting with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi by the Meghalaya government. Khan argued that the party and its members of the District Council MDC stood against using the term village council due to fears that it could replace the existing Dorbashnong system. He pointed out that widespread implementation of village council could introduce formal election procedures that might undermine local customs and traditions. On a different note, Met Balingdor, the president of the UDP, highlighted the party's visible progress, attributing it to the unwavering support of its members. He pledged to strengthen the party's stance and assured attendees that various societal concerns would be earnestly addressed within the party's platform. Lingdor also revealed that UDP, in conjunction with other parties forming the Regional Democratic Alliance RDA, is slated to convene soon for comprehensive discussions on diverse matters. Regarding the possibility of inviting the Voice of People Party VPP to join the RDA, Jamino Mautho responded that invitations were extended to all regional parties. However, the response from these parties, including VPP, is still pending.
You see, I strongly believe that in the party that whatever they have entrusted to us, we have made all sincere efforts to see that we take the party forward in a bigger way. So when you compare the 2018 and 2023 elections, I would like to mention here categorically that we had the team in the party where they are the think tank group. They are in the think tank group. They are the senior leaders of the party. They are the elected members. Some of them, they are the electeds, and some of them who are not the elected also. But they have already contributed to the party, and that's why the performance of the party, we are very happy, but though we are not satisfied, because we look up for better performance in the future from now on. So we have been able to take the party up to this level because of the really the teamwork that we had with us. Each and every member of the team has really contributed to the success of the party till this very moment.
Sir, can you just specify some of the successes that your team had?
No, I think you have seen. It's already spelled out. I think I need not to say on that. Maybe perhaps my friends or my colleagues, my friends who are here, I think it will be better that they will be right and appropriate for them to share as well.
In this meeting, do you talk about the preparation of the NDC election?
Dr. Don Cooper Roy has advocated the, he has emphasized on the unification of regional parties. So under your leadership, what step will you take to ensure that this unification is materialized?
The same effort is on. Talk is still on. We are trying to ensure that regionalism approach is still in place.
We together still with the RTA.
So we are still together with the RTA. We have decided, I think about a month or 2 months ago, that again we will meet as RTA and discuss all related issues which come, which really concern about Indian people.
Will the UDP also just a second? Will the UDP also approach the newly floated political party VPP to also be part of the RTA? will UDP approach the VPP?
We have always
Yeah.
approached all regional parties right from before, and that the offer still stands.
So will you be having a common candidate for Lok Sabha, and will there be seat sharing for district council?
We have not discussed about it. So this general council of the party, all these things will be discussed.
Well,
And we will come out at the appropriate time about any decisions. The preparation. So last year, the party decided that we will postpone the general council, and the same will be held after the general election of 2023. So we have scheduled the same today, and we had a council. I should say that we had a very, very successful and meaningful and fruitful general council this year, and where we have received reports from different districts of the state, and we have received reports also from the two wings, like the youth wing, the women's wing, and also at the same time we have received brief reports from the detailed report, I should say, from the General Secretary about the activities, the function of the party at the state level. So most of the delegates who have attended today were very satisfied and very happy with the outcome of the General Council. And the nomination committee, as per the constitution of the party, sat today only during a short break and discuss, bring out the names and propose the same to the General Council for its consent and approval, and where we had already done that, and under the chairmanship of the person who has been elected by the nomination committee, Party Toskai. So that's it for the day, and we had the new office bearers of the party, and as you are aware that we have already separated the names, details of all those who are the office bearers of the party. Asked from this side, and even also you have asked that how do we move forward, what are the agendas. Now we have just completed the General Council of the party today. Immediately, within this month or maybe in a very short time, we will again sit down as a core group, and we will again make plans and take decisions how do we move forward.
What will be the term of this new
3 years. As per the constitution, it's always 3 years. It's always 3 years.
We have seen the ILP is also one of the main agenda of the UDP. So recently we have seen the Chief Minister meeting the Prime Minister, and yet again the Prime Minister is saying that the centre will require more time to examine the demand for ILP. What do you have to say?
Well, we are glad to note that again this time, this is not the first time that Chief Minister and his cabinet colleagues met the Prime Minister. Even the previous meetings with the Chief Prime Minister also. The same has been addressed with regards to this very important issues of the state. One is the ILP, one is the Khasi and Garo language to be included in the 8th schedule, and so on. So, since the Prime Minister has mentioned, as we've seen from the media reports, so we'll try to see that it's being pursued, again and again, to see that that is being responded very positive.
But don't you think the center should come out clear, like the issues that that requires for examination when it comes to the IRP? Because till date we don't know why the government is delaying, to examine this particular issue.
I don't know exactly because this has been placed long ago. Okay, it's not a very fresh or new issue. It's a very long pending issue. So we will again discuss with the government, along with the Chief Minister, on this matter. How do we pursue this matter? That we see the light of day.
Is there any separate identity? Do you feel that you are a separate identity? You have separate identity than the ruling NPP because your EC was toppled by NPP, like NPP group, and there was, of course, other than just verbal this, there was no action from your side. I think you must have spoken to CMO. We wanted to know. We are just under the whatever they do, we can sustain and suffer.
So you see, the matter is being discussed at the party level. But this is the matters with the MDCs. Though we are not leaving all the things with the MDCs alone, we are also part of it when it comes to any kind of knowledge about what was happening there. So it has happened on that. So, but you know very well, this council is as such that we don't have the anti-defection law. Anybody can move here, anybody can move there, whatever way. We will wait till this amendment of the schedule is through. I think we will see a lot of changes in this council also.
But they should have kept a coalition spirit. You are running the government. At least they should have respected that.
What?
You are part of the government.
See, that is a problem too. Until unless we have the tension there, then we will have that anti-defection law in place. Then things will change as well. Kasong haka nomination committee kaya baka nomination committee karai yang berkaitan.
Nang lagi nang investment no, nang don haka VDP na.
Jamanta kaya baka nomination committee karai ki itu kita office beres.
Kami buat pindah na, buat pindah.
Baru kita ki member jo.
Mudah dai itu.
Kita nak apa parti awak.
Can you also tell us about, the ideal person? What is the party stand since you are there in the Nehru and all? NEP stand of the party?
Yeah, I think we cannot lag behind. No, I think NEP has to roll. Our state has to move forward also. But there may be problems here and there, and I think the nitty-gritty of this issue relating to the NEP, as pointed out by the Vice Chancellor, all the stakeholders has to come together so that we can move forward. Problems will be there. When any new thing is being introduced, any reforms is being introduced, there will be difficulties. But we have to move ahead. We cannot lag behind. NEP has to be implemented, but if there are problems, those problems should be discussed. Should be discussed and addressed. How do we resolve those issues faced by the colleges and other stakeholders?
Sementara dalam em nak yang pribadi. Kumna bersedia sekarang ekstrik mai.
Pi ke jing ke bamna man ai the strict mai ke ke balapan pau nak kalian jo government kidan ki jing ek dia te bete ba te kitu ki jing ek ke hamban sok au te kan non la ban le ka ta ma no mungkin ya pisang ban dia pen yo i ba kumka sola ide yo nan le hakanu baru kom don kam kartu kan ni ki ba hab ban penuh urlong bagi dia benbit benbian suai pemenang industri. Nama aku mampu, merang lo apa bagi pemenang industri kami dah bisa menang. Dari hadirin bagi dah walk out hana dong sedong, naduki blocks, naduki population, nampak tata constituencies, but kumita tata. Kita
magda kimti biang ta kom person thama jong ko UDP bal kum thama mai ko ji sin kilan tiki tekila ki sinjang ki ba kumpi nong ilam ba pin ban klan bang ka parti knang ba kai ka MDC election ro lajan lekin uti kila ni tim sal na ka
pi ke jung berkanya ke parti nak kumne mentang berbor na jung draw ya kali ba berbor ka jingla ba ka jingkot jong ka parti ban poi haduk nupot menta ka sing ngalaman oh ne ba kadai lang ba ka jiya ter kan na ki senior leadership ka parti ki no kersan ka parti ba kum tata na ka pos ko pon ni judon ki jiya kendo ka jiya lang ki meeting ba pe ki graduation ko senior leaders kat ka parti ban oman su ya marwei ka long ke ba shem jing ba ka long ke bom la ban no ni don kam ni ki khot ba member ki ba don ka commitment nak kalian joki kita bagi aja kamu. Mereka itu bagi lah persang menyai mentah ini lain ini Southern Duna kita bagi lah penculun di parti ini lah ya kita long di parti kita bakal long hadok ke kelima. Nangis kemat ni don kerja kot jenguk nak kalian jongi bah ni nang kelan cucu aku beri bakal parti. Tiki don bon kilinti bagi kom tekam ki don bon ki mat Trekam ru ki bangin hapan sim naga banta kebit kebiang jong kidong susung baca kastit
balawan ketika komiti AWD bagi ke amendment ke subsidiar naga liang kejungi hingi 8% ya ketu kecing pelengkap ni ke 100% tribe 100% tribe Tika bamut ya katu baro ki stakeholder ni persya banai ilu badang sian bau chief minister baka kabinet ke jongru lai kendu yo menteri rang badu dari India aba ki 8 pau ba ki nakalian ke government ki persya ya katu ki mihab ya katu kentin on represented tribe pada ke juga poru ngalai iba ke kim kila demand ru nakalian jong ka kabinet badu prime minister kalau ba ada increase ki seat haki lightning district. Mereka datang ke wei ke ba ngalengok ba kamsum dan pat ka jing penpau kalian state government aga jing ada bat ka kentin village council. Kani ka kentin village council kadai ka ba ngi na kalian tung ki MDC na liang parti ru ngimhun ni kani namar balai lada lawan no ka kentin village council kan pendu no ya ka jing trekam jong ki dawasno. Kamu ngindon dari taki village council haman kisnong kabakin ha maniale ada election bat kiriti dustur kijungi rukin kelalut anta te kabamot ka bod ki nomor snong ka dom don su tenre nakaliang jong ka council ha kapor ka bangalong komisi yang ngelawan rai ko ka ak bagata dari ke village development council ak bat dei lamba kan ka ak ka jing temu bangon rai ka ak kalong ba can go in line with that spirit lade kata ka jing kwa nakalian ke central government bahkan don ke grassroots governance pi ke jing tu juga sarkar India balai bekiwan ra itu ke village council kalong ba ikwa bahkan don ke grassroots governance akaba ki scheme baro ru ibanwan nako ka finance kini bania through ke village level amot kini ban pentrikam ke village level pada ke juga por ikwa bahkan don ke election ya orang masnong lani yaki state member juga tuka council pada juga por ikwa ya ka reservation na ka banta ki kenthai ki menta baro ki kenthai ki kwa bangin don ti ha ka dorwasnong den rai ka riti dustur ka dumi kamsya ba ki long tumi ki don kani kadang de ha ka debate stage benta abangi pala ban ong ya kani namar ka riti dustur hi ka long ba ki kenthai ki kimla ban ya don benta dorwasnong serpat ngilabu ke provision ru na ka banta ki kenthai bakin long active part bakin long ki member kila long secretary jong kani ka village development council te ka jingkwa jong ya ka sarkar le ka long ba de ban ong ya ka central government ba ha ka jaka ban bu ikini ki village council de ban don ya ki village development council ta ka ba
Hello ni ngapa ta UTC have been choice based system bagi menteri kam house na macam itu. Hatulah dengan menteri kam mentang ke por kayo anja ng kolong itu ka raja country. Abilip to choice based system.
Choice based credit system runai. Hatulah di menteri kam dia kini hak NEP ru lalu ni kuntai. Layak ini ada tu hi. Kamde bo ban kebatmai. Ni Kasyong ba mangingim day ban suki pelat ban le ke kan state nomor latangi kwa hi ban kentiu ya kan ke education sector state ke jungi Ihap banyak cermat. Kemau mentan kijing ye kidon ni mo antara kawan kanu kejeng kelah ban kelah kanu reform kita kijing ye kita lak te ban ni lak te ban overcome ini ban address kan kita angta ban kijing ye ini ban persya overcome jadi kata kan de kamu pada bahkan ni NDP minta kaya antara oi ke ayo no kamu kata reform
Mami Pak siapa kijing keli
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.